Good morning, dear students. How are you doing? Hope you all are making the most of your time. Today in writing skill, I am going to teach you a very interesting topic called picture composition, in which we learn how we can frame sentences by observing the picture or set of pictures carefully. We all already know that every picture tells about it. हम सभी जानते हैं कि जब भी हम किसी पिक्चर को देखते हैं, चाहे वो किसी पार्क की पिक्चर है और वो किसी पिकनिक का सीन है, तो पिक्चर अपने बारे में कुछ ना कुछ बताती है. Every picture speaks. So today we learn the language of the pictures, what a picture depicts, what a picture tells us. So let's get started. What is a picture composition? Picture composition means a composition which is written after observing a picture. So it is simply pen downing your thoughts, whatever you see. जो भी आप देखते हैं पिक्चर में, कुछ ideas आपके दिमाग में आते हैं. Some ideas comes in your mind, and then from those ideas you write some sentences on it and then construct a story. So that's your choice. Whatever picture is given to you, children, first observe it carefully. A picture composition involves writing sentences based on a given picture. A picture composition requires the writer to carefully observe the given picture and describe it in the form of story or composition having meaningful sentences. Points to remember. Children, जब हम पिक्चर कॉम्पोजिशन लिखते हैं तो कुछ पॉइंट्स हमें माइंड में ध्यान रखने हैं. So what are the points we need to keep in our mind while writing a picture composition? Carefully observe the picture. First of all, we should carefully observe the picture. Look at the picture carefully. Understand what the picture is telling you about. What is the picture of? And then later, observe the things or actions you can see happening, the people around, the things, everything you observe. Ask questions and note down the answers or observations to these questions. Children, जब भी आप किसी पिक्चर को देखते हैं तो कुछ क्वेश्चंस आपके माइंड में आते हैं, like what is there in the picture, what is the boy doing there, what is the girl doing there, who are talking with each other, what are the different things there in the picture. So you can jot down such points in rough, somewhere in rough. Arrange the observations in logical order. Obviously, whatever ideas will come to your mind will not be in sequence. जब भी हमारे दिमाग में कुछ ideas आते हैं तो वो sequence में नहीं होते. So, कहीं पर भी कुछ भी कि इसमें क्या हो रहा है पिक्चर में. So, you need to arrange them in a logical order. Write meaningful sentences to form a composition. Now, later, write meaningful sentences to form a composition. It cannot be simply phrases or some words. कुछ ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि जिनका मीनिंग कुछ आपको पता नहीं चल रहा है. You really need to pen down complete sentence. Means that makes complete sense. Write a suitable title to the composition based on the main idea of the picture. And finally, after writing the composition, you need to give a suitable title to the composition based on the main idea, main theme of the picture. Let's do one picture composition, children. Observe the given picture very carefully for few seconds. Observe the objects or the actions you can see in the picture. Ask questions to yourself. What is happening in the picture? Like, how many children are there? What are they doing? What else can you see in this picture? And after observing the picture carefully, write down 8 to 10 meaningful sentences to describe it. Remember children, we have to write down a paragraph and all the sentences should be grammatically correct. Okay? Now tell me which sentence we'll write down first. Yes, this is a picture of a park. So this would be our first sentence. What would be the next? Now we'll write some sentences related to the sky first. Can you see something in the sky? Yes, I can see a bird, clouds. So what would be the second sentence? Yes, the sun is shining brightly. A bird is flying in the sky. Now tell me who are sitting on the bench? An old woman and a girl are sitting on a bench. Who is standing behind them? Yes, a boy is standing behind them. Who are playing on a trunk of a tree? Yes, two children. Everyone is having a lot of fun. See? So with the help of an observation or answers we got by asking questions about this picture, we have written picture composition. Let's read. This is a picture of a park. The sun is shining brightly. The bird is flying in the sky. An old woman and a girl are sitting on a bench. They are reading a story. A boy is standing behind them. Another boy is running with his dog. One more girl is taking a ride on her scooty. Two children are playing on a trunk of a tree. Everyone is having a lot of fun. Now, after reading this composition, we need to give suitable title. Here children are having lot of fun. तो हम यहाँ पर एक suitable title क्या दे सकते हैं इस picture को, इस picture composition को? Yes, fun in the park. So, based on the given picture, we have given a title to the composition fun in the park. तो सो चिल्ड्रन आपने देखा यहाँ पर किस तरह से हम पिक्चर को डिस्क्राइब करते हैं 8 to 10 sentences में. Okay, and sentences should be grammatically correct. So be careful. I'm sure by now you all know how to write a picture composition. You must be excited to do one more. So I'll give you one more in the form of assignment. Okay children, thank you very much.